What is a dream bike build? Is it having the top of the line parts? Having the frame brand that is keeping you up all night? Or maybe wireless shifting? They say the best bike is the one that you have, and I couldn't agree more. But when you dream, you must also act. You must also plan and believe it into reality. The dream started 8 years ago. I got this GT Karakoram Elite, my first bike which I bought with my own money. Just like every biker slash hobbyist, there was always an itch. We call it upgraded-itis. It's a sickness. The urge to upgrade bike parts in the hope of improving performance and also for aesthetical purposes. As mentioned in my Shimano XT video, original plan was just to upgrade the drivetrain. Started out in May 2022, decided to replace some contact points. Videos for these are also published here. Almost forgot that my Shimano XT is 12-speed. The cogs will require a microspline hub. The search for hubs began. Personal preferences and technical factors in mind landed me to Shimano non-series ones. And then came the itch for more upgrades. The bomb rims, pillar spokes, and Schwalbe Rocket Run tires. To achieve maximum comfort in my loop bar, decided to have a short stem, which in turn led me to have a new seat post and clamp. Ended up with a control tech stem, race face seat post, and a Hope seat clamp. All brands which are known for mountain bike or trail, which you may ask why. Number 1, they are known for their durability. And number 2, these are some of the dream brand parts I wanted to buy, at least the ones that I can afford. Buying these parts took from May 2022 up to September 2022. The last itch was to replace my fork with an updated entry-level RockShox. I always wanted to have black stanchions. And a repaint of the frame.
Dito tayo sa Teban. Paparepaint na natin to.
This is the one of the main events in this upgrade. Meeting the legend, Teban Pintura. We shared ideas, and I let him influence me in making a more classy colored look, as opposed to black stealth paint I originally planned.
Okay. So, Celeste Green, teal, pero dapat yung gitna niya black.
Imbis na blue?
Kasi yung original eh. Okay. Yung original eh. Yung sa purple. Pero ayaw may kaparehas eh.
Pareho tayo sa
Ayaw may parehas eh. So, ginawa ko parang purple dyan, tapos ginawa kong pasta. Pag tinatama ng araw, pag nag-ride ako, tinatama ng araw.
Oh, okay.
So, kita mo yung Celeste Green na medyo dark, wala. Tsaka yung Celeste Green na medyo dark. Bakbak. Yan ang binabakbak lahat yun. So, yung mga nakikita mo sa opisina, hindi pa kasama. So, yan lahat. So, once matapos, okay na. Ito, tingin to. Ito yung sa'yo, gusto mong gawin.
It took quite some time, also with the weather. Plus, you can't rush art. I was happy with it. Bike skinned it myself and had Sir Jude build this dream bike. I trust him a lot, especially in maintaining my bike. He was the head mechanic and managed J&B Trail and Trails. Unfortunately, they had to close down, so I opted for a home service. Seth of Burn Peak would always say, there's only one thing left to do.
So with that, I think it's time we stared at it.